Here's your hint. Let's read the problem. Each salamander is worth a different value between 1 and 10. How much is each salamander worth? Represent your answer as a 4-digit number in the order of the salamander pictured under the table below. So let's look at the table. I'm going to first start off with this. Every time you find the value of each salamander, write it in the box so that way you'll know what the 4-digit number should be. Let's get to the table. Are you having a little trouble figuring out where to start in the table? Let's see. If I look at the table, when I look at the rows, I don't see anything important about the rows. But when I look at the columns, I see when I get to the end of the column that it equals to a specific number. Now the question is, which column do you think I should start with? I will start with the last column. Why? Because all 4 salamanders in the column are the same. I don't know the value of that salamander, but since they're the same, I'm going to name this salamander X. And I'm also going to put a description for it. I'm just going to say orange flame. Okay, so if X is a salamander that has the orange flames, how many of them do I have in this last column? 4. So I can say 4X. And what would 4X equal to? 24. And from here, you'll solve to find the value of X, which is 6. Now I'm going to go to the bottom of the table and plug in the number 6. The number 6 would go here. Let's go back to the table. I now know the value of the orange flame salamander. With that information, think about which column do you feel would be the most beneficial to start with? I would say this column. And let's see why, and then you'll be left on your own. I have 2 orange flame salamanders. I'm just going to write 6 in its place. Now I notice I have another kind of salamander there, and these are a little pinkish. But I don't know the value of this salamander, so I'm going to use a variable to represent it. Y equals light pink. How many light pinks do I have? 2. 2y plus, plus the value of the 2 orange flame salamanders, which would be 12, equals the total of this column, 30. From here, you do the rest. Good luck.